Hi, so we're looking at SpeedMax. Today's topic is data interpretation. So if you look at a graph, it is basically the ratio of the imports to the exports, which means if I say 0.65, so 0.65 means 65% of the exports is imports. So if exports is say X, imports will be 0.65X. Okay, let's look at the question. If the imports in 1998 was rupees 250, so 250 is imports. So we know imports, that is 250, upon exports in 98 is 1.25. So from that you get exports as 250 upon 1.25, which you can get 200. So we get exports in 98 is 200. So exports in 99 will be 500 minus 200, because total exports is 500. So 500 minus 200 will be 300, will be the exports. And imports is 1.4 times. So imports in 99 will be 300 into 1.4, which will be 420. D option is the answer. The imports were minimum proportionate to exports of the company in the year. To look at minimum imports as compared to export, 0.35 straight away, you can make out the answer 97. Because the ratio of imports to exports in 97 is the minimum, that means imports is minimum with respect to exports in the year 1997. Percentage increase in imports from 97 to 98. Now we don't have any value given to you. We only have ratio for each year. Since we don't have any value, the answer is data inadequate, because we don't have specific value how much is the imports in 97, how much is the imports in 98, right? So if there's no information is given about the exact value, and we can't take data from the previous question itself. So data is inadequate. If the imports in the company in 1996 was 2720. So that means 08.85 imports, that stands for 2720. Exports will be 1, stands for how much? So basically you get 2720 upon 0.85. It has to go technically in, you can divide by 5, you can divide by 17 also. It has to go in 17. If you look at 85, 17 ones are 102. 102 if you look at 6 are. Okay. So you can make out it will be 30,200 lakhs. Right? If I divide by 17 both of them, you get 170, and this gets you 0.05. This will be 16,000 upon 5, which will give you 3,200. So we get the answer is 3,200. B option. In how many of the given years were exports more than imports? So wherever the ratio is less than 1, there exports is more than imports. So we have 95, 96, 97, and 2000. 4 years where exports is more than imports. Okay, because of ratio of imports upon exports, wherever the ratio is less than 1, that's where exports is more than imports. Right? Yeah. Thank you.